What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell so whenever I post a video, you will be notified. So today I'll be showing you guys how I pick up shifts for Skip the Dishes and set my availability. So come along for the ride and stick around to the end. Maybe you might learn something from this video, or you could teach me something. Right? If you guys know a better way and a faster way how to pick up shifts with Skip the Dishes, you don't mind sharing your secret, leave a comment down below, okay? Because you could be so frustrated not getting any shifts, and whenever it posted, it goes so fast, like less than a second, all the shifts are gone. So the schedule posted at 10 a.m. If you live in Montreal, Toronto, Vancouver, Calgary, I don't know if it's the same time, might be different. Always check the Skip the Dishes website. They always update it, or they will send you an email whenever the schedule comes out. Okay? Also, between 1:30 p.m. and 2 p.m., there's a few shifts comes out that slots need to be filled, like sometimes the present day or the following day. So always check between those time. You might pick up a few more, right? Okay? All that said, let's get started. Let's open the Skip the Dishes app, go under calendar, open shifts, and here we go. I'm trying to pick up Southwest and Northwest only. All these are Southeast and Northeast. Go really fast. You have to be fast as shift no longer available. Northeast, Southeast, I don't need those. So I'll pick up as many shifts as I can, and then I'm gonna decide which one I'm gonna keep or not. So let's see how many I have picked up. Go to my shift. Right now I have 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. I'll keep that. That's Northwest. Another one is Northwest. The time is okay for that one. 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Northwest, 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 Southwest, Northwest. So this orange square with a check mark, that means you have to confirm your shift. Click that check mark and then you click confirm. So I probably pick up one or two of them. I get the rest of the shifts because I set my availability. So I'll show you guys how to set your availability. Click it on the right top. As you can see here, I already set mine from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and then from the bottom 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. and I repeat every day. It's the same every Wednesday, every Thursday, every Friday, Saturday. Here I'm just gonna edit this one so I could show you guys. I'll delete it. Just gonna set from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Select time. (7 a.m.) to 3 p.m. You could click available all day if you want, and where it says repeat every Monday, this little icon there, you just slide it over and confirm. And now I want to set for the afternoon shift and evening shifts. It says add availability. Click on that plus sign. This is going to be select for the evening or afternoon or night shift, whatever you prefer. I'll go from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Repeat every Monday. Slide that little dot over to the right. Click confirm. I said between 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. right? That's an 8-hour shift. But Skip the Dishes not gonna give you 8 hours. The minimum is 3 hours and the maximum is 4 hours per shift. So either I get from 7 to 10 or 11 to 3, right? And I repeat that, and it goes out all the way to probably a month ahead, April 20th. So that's about it. Easy peasy. It's not rocket science. Oh, no one came through here. Oh, it's gone. So guys, you can see how fast your shift goes. If you want to pick up more shifts, when you set your availability, instead of putting a 3 hours from 11 to 2, put a longer window of time, like a 6 hours, like 8 hours. If you're available all day, just click that little box that says all day. So you're available all day. If there's any slots available or any shifts available, you will get it. If it's 1 a.m., you will get it. Well, you can always drop it, right? If there's an evening shift, they'll give it to you. Lunch hours, you'll get it. That's my 2 cents, and I hope this video helped you. And thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to support the channel. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.